So you're all welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna continue from the previous video. So in today we are gonna consider other functions, which are there. We are gonna consider two other Excel formulas, which are the power, the product, power, product, and maybe we'll look at LCM if time permits. So as we all know in mathematics that power simple means a number raised to. For instance, we have two if we have two, maybe 2 raised to the power of 3. Sorry, I'm writing 23. Let's check. So if we have 2, I want to raise it to the power of 3. So it simple means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equals to 8. That is for power. Power is raised to the power is not the same thing like 2 times 3. It's 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 4 times 2. So now, but 2 times 3 is 6. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, while 2 times 3 is 6. So I want you to understand the differences. So power simple means raising a number or multiplying a particular number by its power. So if you have, for instance, 5 raised to the power of 6, it's different from 5 times 6, which is 30. The simple means 5 times 5, 25 times 5, which is 125 times 5 times 5 and times 5. So if we are to calculate it, let's do, for instance, equals to power, bracket open, 5, raising it to the power of 5. What do we have there? 3125. Meanwhile, 5 times 6 is 30. The 5 raised to the power of 5 is 3125. So let's do some few examples of this function. For instance, we have a number. Okay, let's do it from cell address. We have 2 raised to the power of 3. We have 3 raised to the power of 3. We have 3 raised to the power of 5. We have 2 raised to the power of 7. We have 9 raised to the power of 3. Let's do a small numbers. We have 2 raised to the power of 6. So since, let's check out the powers for these numbers. Equals to the power, bracket open. Now we are going to use cell addresses. We don't want to calculate for each of them. So let's do cell address. E14, comma, F14. Alright, you close your bracket and put enter. So let's drag it down. Keep your cursor close to the arrow, you drag down. Now 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. That is how we have these answers. So we are multiplying it. Like the first one, that is 2 to the power of 3, simple means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is into 3 plus. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. That's how we arrive at this number 8. The next one here is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. The same thing with the last one here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. And 32 times 2. That's how we arrive at the 64. So that is for power. Now the next one is what? Product. Very simple, means multiplication. Multiplication, which is the times. That is product, multiplication. So whenever you come across the word product in Excel or any spreadsheet, you know that is multiplication. So for instance, it's different from power. Now 2, 3. In product, it simply means 2 times 3, which is 6. So let's do an example here. Equals to product, the number 2 and what? 3. You close the bracket, enter. You can see 2 times 3 is 6. And the formula always appears at top here, the formula bar. So you cannot, in case you are given an exam or any assignment on Excel to go and do, you want to use your calculator, or how you got to arrive the answer, formula will always appear here. So they are going to look at your results, your formula you used to arrive there, not necessarily your answer. So this is it for product. So let's do some example. Let's say 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, and then maybe here 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6. So it's simple, equals to products, bracket open. We're gonna deal on cell addresses. First one is N12 or N13. No, O. So in order not to waste your time typing, you can just click here. That's N13, comma O13. The simple gives you the answer, which is 2 times 3 times 2 is 6. You drag it down, you have the answer for the remaining ones. That is for products. Now let's go to LCM. LCM simply means lower common multiple. For instance, the LCM of 25 just equals to LCM bracket open 25. Close your bracket, enter. Now equals to LCM bracket open 25, let's say 5.